I'm Brandon.
And I'm Isaac.
And this is BrainShake.
And today we're going to give each other our phones and text each other's friends.
The moment of truth.
So nervous.
You can't look at me. You have to focus on your shit. I'll focus on my shit.
I don't like this. I hate this so much.
Did you pocket dial me?
No.
What are you doing with your life?
I just wanted to have a friendly chat with you.
Oh, alright. Oh yeah, sometimes I rub against them and I really enjoy, throwing the poles like javelin,
What?
Nothing.
Who's calling you?
You should probably just call her.
What did you say?
Just call her. It's nothing like that between you two. It's like just a little storyline.
You know that I was trying to take a shit.
Huh?
Hi, so those texts that you got, that was Brandon.
Oh wait, I just thought about that. Actually, I walked into the museum to check on something. I was like, wait a minute. I was worried about your brother, of course. Is everything gonna be okay? Hello?
Hey, so just so you know, that was all a
Yeah?
ruse. That was Brandon texting
What?
you. Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
all
Yeah,
right.
maybe you should call me and text me some more.
Alright,
I'm like,
fuck you, bye.
No. You're so rude.
Well, they're not good people, and he's scared to tell my dad. He might have to leave the country.
Yeah, I told her that
Oh
your
my-
brother would have to leave the
So
country.
she responds, "Oh my God, wow! I really think the best thing to do is tell your father an honest opinion. Maybe help me get things straightened out. I'm so sorry to hear that." And then she called us bad boys.
Bad boys. Bad boys. I didn't think it'd go that far, man.
It's
I didn't.
not okay.
I'm sorry. I didn't think it'd go that far. Just calm down. No need to overreact. Like, it's just a text. I didn't think that was in the realm of possibilities. I thought she would always think you were a good boy. I didn't think things would descend.
Fuck! Stop, Isaac.
Hello. Hey there.
Watermelon,
Hey.
what the?
How's it going?
Who are you? What?
That doesn't matter. It's not relevant.
Okay.
I have a mission. You have a mission.
What kind of
You
mission?
need to get to work.
What? Am I in a dream?
We don't have time. Hurry up.
Okay. What do you
You
want?
gotta get going. You gotta get going.
What mission is this? What are you talking
You gotta
about?
find the box. The box.
Okay, what box? What do you want from me?
You gotta find the box.
Okay, what box?
The box. You have to find it.
Okay.
You have to do it.
Where everything will be destroyed.
Where's the stupid box that you're talking about?
Exactly.
Okay!
You gotta get going. Get moving. Come on, kid. You gotta do it.
What do you want me to do? Where do you want me to go?
Get out of here. Start. Get going. Go. Move.
Ah!
Get going.
What? God damn it, stop following me! Stop following me! You off first, Lisa! Brandon?
You're back.
We're in some kind of dream state. I don't know what I was talking to a fucking watermelon, and there was
Wait.
some kind of mission, and like bananas or whatever the hell they are following. Why is my shirt?
Oh, okay. You're new here, aren't you?
Why do you?
Sorry, I thought you were a different Isaac. Turn the page. Turn the page. Turn the page. Turn the page.
Okay.
Now you're
There's
on,
nothing there.
You're on a new page.
What the fuck is this box?
When you find the box, you'll understand. You'll understand it all. Because it's just a big myriad of shit everywhere, all the time.
What is going on here?
Exactly.
Brandon, I can't take this. This has got to be a dream!
You need to stop being so dramatic and just find the fucking box.
Okay.
Carnival. Whoa.
Your own of fluctuating energy, morphing endlessly through time and space. Oh, the force of epiphany, of revelation. It's a force of fulfilled curiosity. One pathway becomes concluded, but then it branches into countless more curiosities. Oh, the ever-giving gift of wonder. Narrative is the foundation of our perceived realities. The carnival. Birthed from earthly plight, you find this life for which you fight. Bite the apple to find your way. Blinded before you find the light brightly upon your face. So don't waste your flame, light it up, puff that dose of reality up your throat, swallow it in your gut, and unleash, hold on, and then let go, and voila! Here it is, our story, our self-directed play of reality in unending collaboration with everything else.
Bye.
Carnival.
The box. The box. Whoa. Box.
What the fuck?
Where's the box? Whoa. Whoa. Shiny.
Fuck!
The box. Whoa.
What the fuck?
Whoa.
Can't believe it. Fucking... Snap the fuck out of it!
Where's the box, Isaac, where's the
Brandon!
box? Where's the box?
Snap the fuck out of it!
Eject. No disc. There's no disc.
Get out! Get the fuck out!
Where's the box?
Fuck!
Isaac. carnival. We gotta go get the box.
And I don't know if I want to.
Hey there. Did you forget about the mission?
Fuck your mission.
Hey, wait. Hey, get your hands up. What the fuck, bro? Get down. It's okay. You're in pain. It's okay. I'll make it quick. I'm sorry. You made it to the carnival. We're at the carnival, man. Izzy, we're at the carnival. Yeah, we are. Izzy,
Where's the box?
where's the box? You gotta speak up, I can't hear you.
Where's the box?
The what?
The box!
Embrace the chaos, man. Life is short. Don't worry about this stupid box that you've been thinking about. You see out there in the horizon? Those are all peasants consuming mindlessly. The lights and the action make them feel special, but they're not special. We're all just nothingness wrapped in poison. Life's absurd. Words are absurd. Angels don't exist. Demons do. You see, that's the thing about traffic. It shows us our true colors. We're all rushing to get somewhere, willing to drive each other off the road into a ditch. But if we were to die, what was it all for? What are you rushing towards? Izzy. So when you say box, all I hear is waste of time. So then I was like, yo, I didn't take your fucking marbles, Blue Witch. And she's like, I had a cultist waiting tonight, and I need my blue marbles. You know? You're completely insane. Did you kill her? No. But I mailed her milk for a year. Not in our time, in ant time. That sounds small. Small? Say what you mean, man. What do you really mean? What do you really mean? The box. What? What are you talking about? The box. Huh? The box. Oh. Is that the box? That could be the box. Guess what? There's only one way to find out.
Hear anything? Is there anything in there?
You're rattling. Okay, what do you think's in the box?
A way out?
A way out. A way out. I think there's a key to a bigger box, or like a golden horseshoe.
I think you're just fucking stupid, man. Dude, just give me the...
It's my box. If you open it, it will die.
This is ridiculous.
It's my fucking box. Who's the stupid one now? Who's the one without a box? Who's the one trapped? I have the way out.
Please. Here,
Open. You'll give it back.
I promise you, okay? Give me the box.
Okay, it's locked.
Locked, eh?
What's it? What the fuck? We went so far. No thing? No thing. Nothing.
There's nothing in this box.
There's nothing there. There's nothing.